Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rina, and no, we are not going to make this makeup today. We are going to make this stuff that I made for my photo shoot with Yana, and here's her Instagram, so you just really want to subscribe. Yeah, just because she is awesome. So yeah, today we're making Broken Doll on really simple makeup look. So if you're ready, let us start from the beginning. Well, the first thing we are doing is preparing our face for this makeup, and first thing I use E.l.f. primer for my face, and then I'm using lighter foundation tone because I wanted to create pale face for this photo shoot, because I think dolls are a little bit more like pale, and I fixed everything with fixing powder, or you may use just invisible powder. I'm always using primer for eyeshadows because it's so comfortable to use something like this. And for this makeup I used NYX Love You So Mochi palette using peachy and pinky eyeshadows, and also BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette Take Me Back to Brazil with its beautiful pinky eyeshadows. You don't really need to make something really cool with your eyes, because you just need like soft makeup on your eyes and a little bit more on your face. And well, highlighter. I love this palette from Sleek. I don't really love the way they did it because mine is always a bit dirty, but okay, I'm sorry for it. So we are putting highlighter under our eyebrows, inside our eye corner, on our nose, using it on angel bow, and just everywhere you want to use it because I'm in love with it. And yes, blush. It's really important thing when we're talking about dolls, because we want to make our face like this dolly look. So I put it on my cheeks, I put it everywhere I want to, so you can see it. A little work on our eyebrows and a lot of mascara, really a lot of mascara, because you want this dolly eyes. You may use lash extensions, everything, these beautiful lashes. Just put it on if you want to make it better. And yeah, contour. You really need to make your nose smaller. It's an important thing. And the final part of our makeup is using E.l.f. or any other black eyeliner for our scars.
So, as I promised, it was really simple makeup look. Just put on your wig and you are ready. So, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye, and remember that you're already beautiful.